Good morning. I'm at my home dock and just waking up, and this is my view. It's gonna be a great. The sun is almost about to come out, so I can start working outside. But first, I have to charge the starter battery for that I have for the heater. So I'll get that going first. The battery is down here and the heater is in here. So this battery is completely dead, so my options are either go buy a new one or take some cords and run it all the way back to my other battery, which is quite a long stretch for a starter battery, so I have to look into it a little bit more what to do. Before I go ahead and take up some new cords from the diesel heater engine back to my normal battery, I'm gonna see if there's actually some cords already running there and if they're connected to the engine, so actually the battery will be charged when I'm motoring. So let me try to see if I can understand this electrical part. It is such a huge mess there, but let's have a look. Into the hole I go. From what I can understand is that if I have a battery out there in my little room from the outside, there should be cords connected to the engine and to these things, so it should be charging while running the engine, but I'll double check that. But it does seem that I should buy a new starter battery. Now let's see if the electricity is working on it on the remote, which is in here in the bathroom, and it's blinking green, which is a good thing. The plan is then to put this into this container over here. That overflowed a little bit, but it's only a glycol, so it should be fine. I just have to clean it up. Moment of truth. Let's see. That was a sound. Let me go try it again. It's not turning off, but I have no idea what to do. Oh Lord. Everything kind of looks okay down there, but the sound is just, maybe because I've never done it before, it's kind of scary because it's so loud. But I'm gonna try it again. It just sounds like it's drinking something, or it's pumping something somewhere, but I can't feel any heat. It sounds like it actually is working. The exhaust from down there is working. It's not too crazy sound from the engine itself. And let's see if we can feel the heat. And it is cooking. It is getting warm. Now it's up to 70 degrees. It should stop around 70 or 80. It's warm. That one is warm. Let me check the last one as well. And this one is also starting to heat up. Man, finally something is working. I finally think I got the heater to work properly. It is nice and toasty here. I just turned it on and I can feel on my feet that it is warming up. And I put the timer on for tomorrow morning, so hopefully I can wake up and it's going to be comfortable and warm, even though it's probably going to be nice weather tomorrow. But I just want to see how it works with the timer, so I just put it on and let's see. So with this, I'm going to say peace out, see you tomorrow.